First day back in Scotland, and of course, that is what the weather is like. Fucking snow. So instead of driving up to the gym, it's going to be a home workout today because I cannot be bothered getting stuck in traffic and it taking 2 hours to get to the gym. So it's going to be a quick home workout today, an arms session. We actually record some clips and we'll get through this. And Amy is nice and warm, as you can see. So the house isn't very cold and the house isn't very warm in here today. But got to get it done. Doing some supersets and arms, so straight into a close to a bench. No rest. When I'm training arms, I will tend to just do supersets, period. Do a bicep, tricep, or the other way around. It's more time efficient. You can get enough rest in between. They are opposites, so technically they're not worked at the same time. So that's both time efficient and effective. When you do the close grip bench, don't come in here. See people benching some things like this? That is a recipe for a fucking broken wrist. I just come in here slightly outside the shoulder width. Goal is to keep the elbows straight and tucked in. And I'm going to press up as I'm doing it. And contract the triceps as I squeeze up. If you get to the end of the biceps curls and you want to push beyond failure, you can do a little bit of cheating and then just slow the eccentric. So a little bit of momentum and then slow. And that's how you can push past concentric failure. Workout's done. Just done 3 supersets, 4, 5 sets, or 3, 4 sets, sorry, on each 3, 4 and 4 I think it was. Yeah, it was 3, 4 and 4 sets on each. Efficient, effective, 38 minutes. Yeah, that's it. 38 and a half minutes. Your workouts don't need to take 2 hours. Done. Efficient, hard hitting. Walk up the stair, get the workout done, done. Go to something to eat. And I'll show you my post-workout meal as well. Bit of Domino's, back in the UK, Friday night, which means it's time to take some time off. Watch a film, Ant-Man and the Wasp tonight. So we're continuing to work our way through the Marvel films, even though I've just realised Amy's filming the video the wrong way. Too late, you need to start again. What is it? What do you want me to say?
Tell them what you've done for me.
We're going to get some sausage rolls because I've got some square sausage, which is a thing in Scotland. You will hear some weird people call it roll and slice. Rolls and square sausage because Amy was hungover. I don't know if you can see my trousers, but it's absolutely fucking pouring outside. But yeah, so I picked Amy up last night at like fucking 3 in the morning as well, so...
It wasn't that. It wasn't. I got the last train home.
Sleep's been quite low, so I slept in today. I'm going to actually train this afternoon. We're switching gyms to one a bit closer to home with less travelling, to be honest. A little less travelling, to be honest. I think I got out there, so... Yes, going up for the first workout there today. It's got a really nice sauna, steam room, swimming pool, all that sort of stuff, so kind of looking for something that's a bit nicer. I can go and spend some time in on a Sunday or a Saturday, have a good sauna, enjoy it, all that sort of stuff. So I'm actually looking forward to getting up there for a couple of hours tonight, training and getting my sauna in.
Thank you.
There's 3 in there, 1 for me.
Andrew.
How's it going?
Ravi.
Probably my favourite meal. It's a regular Sunday night on our client's plans. Fillet steak, McCain drum and chips, a little bit of veg, good to go. Absolutely ideal Sunday night. And some Iron Brew extra as well. No, it won't kill you. Post-workout meal. First daily workout back. No, it's not, that's a lie. But first Monday daily workout back. Protein shake, some dry cereal. The only reason I have these dry is because they taste fucking excellent. I get some chocolate in the middle. Amy's shaking her head. They really do taste good. Dry. Normally I would have some milk. That's not a thing I do regularly. I'm not a stranger. But protein shake, cereal, that's it. I am going to lose some fat for a bit. So I gained a little bit of body fat too quickly in my opinion. I was up at 76.5 kilos, which is too high for the rate I was progressing at. I want to be around 75 and then I'll start to scale back up. So for the next 7 to 14 days, I will go into a very short fat loss phase. 2,000 calories, 200 grams of protein per day, tracking my nutrition every day, 10,000 steps is a minimum, 5 daily sessions, 5 evening sessions, 5 morning sessions, and hard stop at 9 PM for all devices. That's my non-negotiables for the next 14 days. And again, we'll build momentum from there. But sometimes you just need to do a little bit of a cutback to tidy up some body fat. I'm having to do that right now. It's because I ate too much fucking ice cream in Orlando. Call a spade, that's what it was. I bought a big massive bag of party-sized peanut butter M&Ms. They are ridiculous. Like, you have 2 handfuls and it's like 700 calories. It's insane. So, yeah, fat loss phase required for 2 weeks. Tidy up, cut some excess weight, and then get back into the lean game for the summer.
And just build some. As per usual.
I'm not very neat person. Shut up.
Trying.
A bird on that wall. My granny papa used to live in this plot, and the bird, the wee blackbird, used to come in to my papa's house and sit on the. They had like a dining table at the end of the hall, or the end of the kitchen, and the blackbird used to come in and sit on the end chair, and then it would get given a grape. And I don't know if that's it, because my grandpapa passed away like 3 years ago, but it was sat in the exact same spot. It was that bird, and it used to sit in that wall and then come in for a grape. So I was trying to give it a frozen blueberry. I probably ended up choking it, but we'll maybe see if we can get it. It is 20 to 7, so 6:40, and I am finishing up for the night. Yes, I do have a massive fucking plaster on my face because I cut myself shaving, and it was quite an intense cut, so the bleeding was quite intense, so I had to put plaster on it. But I'm about to go up and hit my evening pump session. I have 5 outlined on my daily non-negotiables that you can probably see behind me. And was in the gym today, training at Bowfield, so we're kind of at a new gym. But this has kind of been in my head for the last week to talk about, and I completely forgot about it. I go into the gyms, no harm to anyone. Anyone who's in a gym making an effort is trying to better themselves, like, period. I respect that to any and everyone. But the amount of people that are in there that are being inefficient and ineffective with their time is scary. If you're going in there blind, you don't have a plan, you don't have a program, you're not following something, you're going to get a pop in progress and then you're going to level off. That's exactly what's going to happen every time. You have to consistently get better and improve. The things that I see people doing and aimlessly wandering around the gym, doing a set here, one there, then something in a treadmill, then something over here, is insane. Like, if you... And again, I don't mean any harm by this, because ultimately they're taking some of their time at least to improve themselves, but they're literally pissing the time away. Literally. Like, there is no point in doing what they're doing. It's being ineffective, it's being inefficient, it's completely wasting their time. If you're going to have a go at losing fat, building muscle, getting healthy, fucking do it right. Go in there and train to failure. Go in there and push yourself. Train hard. Set a program, pick 4 to 6 exercises and repeat them for 8 to 12 weeks per session. Maybe do 4 workouts a week or something like that. You do not need a million things. You need to get very good at a specific number or a small few. You don't have 18 careers. No, exercises are slightly different to careers, but you don't have to be amazing at a million different things. Get focused in getting pretty good at a small handful and you will be successful. Go in with a plan, repeat the process, get better, create a scalable, repeatable process and you'll get results. That's my 2 cents. If you don't have a plan, there's fucking loads in the description. Meal plans, training programs, everything. Daily checklist, the lot. If you need a bit more one-to-one advice, book a call with me. The link is in the description to do so. And again, if you want to really take things serious, then join our fucking program. We will help take a lot of the thinking out of it for you. You don't need to do that. There's loads of free stuff here. You can see the amount of free information and workouts I put on here. Go and save them, follow them, give them a go. That'll at least get you started. Time for me to go and train.